continues today in day 2 of the George Zimmerman murder trial.
The state and the defense are searching for 6 jurors and 4 alternates. Here's what we know right now about the jury pool. 40 potential jurors were released after the questionnaire, and 1 person was released after both sides began conducting individual interviews.
WESH 2 legal analyst Alicia Adamson is here now with some perspective on the case so far.
And 41 potential jurors have now been dismissed. What does this say about the pace of the jury selection process?
I think the pace is going well so far. The questionnaire has weeded out a lot of the potential jurors that are biased towards what they've seen on the media and things of that nature. So I think now the attorneys are getting more comfortable asking relevant questions and trying to get to the bottom of getting these jurors as quickly as they can.
Well, let's talk a little bit more about the questionnaire. Yesterday, Judge Nelson referred specifically to questions 4 and 8. What can we safely read into that?
I would definitely say that those questions are going to gear towards the mindset and how people are feeling about the case. It's not a problem that these potential jurors have heard about the case and seen it on various media outlets. The problem is when they've already formed an opinion and they're not going to be able to follow the law with what they've known so far. So I would imagine that those questions go towards their mindset and how they feel towards the case.
And we need to be mindful that this is the first step in this process, that jurors who survive this will be brought back for more questioning. How many steps are there until both sides say, okay, we want this juror?
Well, this is kind of a non-traditional jury selection process because of the media attention with this case. But once we get to a magical number of 21, once 21 people kind of make it past these phases, all the jurors are going to be in one room where both sides are going to get a chance to ask them questions about generally how they feel about the trial process. And once those 21 get selected, the 2 attorneys will try to narrow that down to 6 jurors and 4 alternates. And at that point, they'll get sworn in and the opening statements can start.
So it's not necessarily what they say, it's also how they say it, too.
Exactly.
Right.
So we still have quite a while to go.
All right. Alicia, appreciate it very, very much.
No problem.
Jury selection streaming right now live on WESH.com and the WESH 2 mobile app.